drop in right here. This keyhole. Look at that. I'll turn that. See? Pops right out. Easy peasy. I hope my cord is long enough here. The problem is I'm seeing this cord. Look, I'm scraping up the wall. I'm gonna paint over that. Dang. I need it to go right in here. Fit. I don't know. You know, there'll be cuts and stuff you can make. I gotta get tools and this right here. There's a screwdriver. I'm gonna connect this. I'm gonna connect this ground first. One here. This green right there.
What I wanna do, grab my pliers. I'm gonna start adding some speed to this.
That. There we go. Now that that's like that.
This first, I'm gonna let this hang.
Nice and tight. Let's untangle these just a little bit. Looks pretty nice. So white with white, black with black. They didn't give me no wire nuts.
Like that.
Black on black. Alright, see how this is all going?
Mm-hmm.
Don't those look pretty simple?
Yep.
You know.
White on white, black on black.
Nice and tight. And we're pretty much wired up there. Are you getting a decent angle on this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, put all this in there. Like that. Make sure our wires are tucked in good. Can't even feel this thing in my hand. Take this glove off, I can't feel it.
Hold this up, get under here, please. Get under, all the way under, all the way under, all the way under. Both hands, over here, other hand here. Hold it right there. Just keep pushing up. This is where I want these, just secure it up here. That secures it up there. Where they can go nowhere. Now I can do other stuff. Oh yeah. Okay. Very good.
We're gonna let that hang like that. I got some screws in here. Let's see. 1 1/4, is that too long? I don't know. Let's see. I think that's gonna be good. It ain't too long. These are perfect, actually. not too long, because we don't want them too long where they poke through the cabinet too high.
Yeah.
Let me change my adapter. We'll get this first one. Stay away from that. That's dangerous. I should cover that. Drop something in that thing. I'm just letting the air in too. This is where the air. Yeah, that's where the air comes in at. Move everything away from that thing. That thing's dangerous as hell. Yeah, you could come in here and see where it's at.
Yep.
See how nice and secured that is now? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let's do another. Nice, secured. Nothing poking through in the cabinet. Awesome.
He got a whole spear on
With that
his
short-
drill.
So now, taking it easy. See? Good. Nice and
Yeah.
secure, not too tight. And this is the bulb.
Light bulb.
That was in the last one, so we just
I'm
gonna.
gonna put it right in here.
That comes out like that. You just squeeze it like that if you don't know. This light bulb, we're gonna screw it right in. I haven't cut the power on yet, so don't expect power yet. But I'll show you. Here, let's put the vent back on.
No.
Oh, I gotta push it in here more, right?
Maybe you twist it
Oh, like that. I was twisting the wrong way.
Oh,
Look that way, so not the wrong
easy
way.
unlock.
Yeah, right there, pressure up, and then you twist it the right way, it doesn't fight you. Okay.
Oh, it turns on. The ventilation system is also working, kind of. You can hear it. That turns on, let's see when we do high.
Very crooked router. This is what I'm talking about. There. See the difference? Let me stay square.
The fan does it, didn't work.
High. Off. Low. Right.
Yay.
Alright, so we know it works. We'll cut that off. Now we're gonna do this ceiling fan here, so that's done. Had a ping on it. Look. Gotta watch out for this stuff right here. The loading and unloading crew or whoever, because I used to work at Lowe's for many years, they are rough with merchandise. So always inspect your stuff to make sure it isn't dinged up and beat up, because they don't care.